business. Belly up, ladies first. Oh my God, does that look yummy? Within a few hours, we're gonna transform this into an amazing event site. We're gonna serve 1,000 people an incredible steak dinner.
The Village Feast is a big deal. It's a lot of work.
Yeah, baby!
So I'm calling in the cavalry, all my neighbors, my chef buddies, a biker gang, a rolling oven, a hay wagon, even the army's on its way. We're gonna build a cookhouse in Kenya today.
All the kids go to eat lunch. A lot of children have gone back to school. Like 90% of the kids are back now.
That's pretty cool.
Keep on enjoying yourself. It's a beautiful day